Welcome to Trading Cars, the channel where innovation meets the road and future vehicles take center stage. Today we're diving into the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a bold and intelligent blend of Scandinavian luxury, advanced safety, and cutting-edge electric mobility. Volvo has taken its legacy of comfort, innovation, and sustainability to a new level with this futuristic motorhome built for premium travel. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome presents a clean, minimalistic design with flowing lines, a wide stance, and a commanding presence. Its exterior features an aluminum frame with sustainable composite panels, offering a lightweight yet durable structure. The signature Volvo Thor Hammer LED headlights and smart digital grille showcase its all-electric identity. Roof-integrated solar panels and adaptive lighting systems make the motorhome both eco-friendly and efficient. Inside, the motorhome reflects Volvo's focus on clean design and premium materials. The living space feels open and airy with panoramic smart glass windows that adjust tint based on sunlight. The interior features responsibly sourced wood trims, eco-fabrics, and smart ambient lighting to create a serene atmosphere. The front cabin includes ergonomic seats that rotate to face the lounge area, merging driving and relaxation spaces seamlessly. A full digital command center controls lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security through an ultra-wide touchscreen panel or via voice assistant. The smart lounge includes a convertible sofa bed, a retractable 4K display, and built-in surround sound. The kitchen is compact yet fully functional with an induction cooktop, refrigerator, oven, and water purification system, all optimized for energy efficiency. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, heated floor, and self-cleaning features powered by Volvo's smart hygiene system. Powering the motorhome is Volvo's next-gen electric drivetrain supported by a high-capacity battery system delivering a range of over 550 kilometers. The vehicle includes dual-motor all-wheel drive for confident handling on highways or off-road terrains. Charging is made simple with ultra-fast DC capability and bidirectional charging for external power needs. Advanced driver assistance includes Level 3 autonomy, adaptive cruise, lane centering, and collision avoidance systems, all built upon Volvo's reputation for safety. Volvo also introduces an intelligent air filtration system to maintain cabin air quality at all times. The climate control is multi-zone and can be managed remotely through the Volvo app. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is not just a vehicle but a mobile sanctuary engineered for the modern nomad. For more future-forward automotive experiences and in-depth luxury reviews, make sure to subscribe to Trading Cars and stay tuned for what's next on the road.